Since we temporarily closed our shops, more of you are relying on us to get our products into your hands through online orders, and we're thankful for you.
We are doing our best to get a little Lush to your doorsteps as quickly as we can while protecting what's near and dear to us, our people.
Real people who quickly and safely hand make, pick, pack, and ship your favorite products to you during these unconventional times.
From the bottom of our hearts, we're sorry your orders are taking longer than usual to get to you. We're thankful for your patience. Thank you.